Hello, word, everyone, and welcome to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of vocabulary. Today's word is certainty, a B2 level noun meaning sure or definite. So, what exactly does certainty mean? It refers to the state of being completely sure about something, without any doubt. It's that feeling of absolute confidence in a fact, an outcome, or a belief. In everyday language, we use certainty to express conviction and assurance. Think about saying, I have complete certainty that I locked the door, or there's no certainty about the weather tomorrow. It's a powerful word that conveys a strong sense of assurance. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for certainty. Words that share a similar meaning include assurance, conviction, and confidence. Let's see them in action. Firstly, assurance. She spoke with assurance, convincing everyone of her plan. Next, conviction. He argued his point with great conviction, leaving no room for doubt. And finally, confidence. Her confidence in her abilities was inspiring. Notice how each of these synonyms captures a similar sense of sureness and belief. But what about words that mean the opposite of certainty? Let's explore some antonyms. Words that contrast with certainty include doubt, uncertainty, and hesitation. Here are some examples. Firstly, doubt. There is a doubt in her mind about the truth of the story. Next, uncertainty. The uncertainty of the future made him anxious. And finally, hesitation. After a moment of hesitation, she decided to accept the offer. These antonyms highlight the absence of sureness, emphasizing the presence of questioning and indecision. Now, let's consider how certainty can be used in everyday life. You might say, it's a certainty that the sun will rise tomorrow, expressing an undeniable truth. Or, I can say with certainty that I saw him at the library yesterday, indicating a clear memory. You might also hear phrases like, for certainty, which means without a doubt. For example, are you coming to the party? For certainty. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. She approached the interview with certainty, knowing she was the best candidate. He lacked certainty about his career path, leading him to explore different options. The scientists expressed certainty about their findings after years of research. Despite the challenges, she maintained a sense of certainty that she would succeed. It's not a certainty, but there's a high probability of rain today. They spoke with certainty, never wavering in their commitment to the project. Certainty is a valuable asset in decision-making. He sought certainty before investing his money. The lawyer presented the evidence with absolute certainty. She needed certainty before making a life-changing decision. So, to summarize, certainty is a noun that signifies being sure or definite about something. Synonyms include assurance, conviction, and confidence, while antonyms include doubt, uncertainty, and hesitation. We use certainty in everyday conversations to express strong belief and conviction. It's a word that reflects a sense of security and unwavering belief. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you've found this exploration of certainty to be enlightening. Remember, every word you learn expands your understanding of the world. Now, before we wrap up, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and improve their vocabulary too. Also, create your own sentence using certainty and share it in the comments section below. I can't wait to read your creative examples. Until next time, keep exploring the world of words.